Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that gold, after making a breakout of this ranging phase with this bearish move, it went up as part of a pullback all the way to retest this key zone over here. While we saw that gold making a pullback over here and created this ranging phase like the new one over here, so we anticipated if gold makes a break and close even below this key zone with further bearish move, then it might come all the way down to retest this uptrend line which it has been following for a really long time over here. And you can see all these major retest points previously that gold made on this uptrend line over here. And in this week we can see gold, after making a breakout of this key zone, came down to retest this uptrend line and also almost making a breakout of that uptrend line with further bearish move. So gold, if is to respect this uptrend line, it should show signs of price ejection from this uptrend from this point right around here and continue to push upward. But there is not much of a important key zone that we can locate over here at this point of price that gold is currently retesting. The next obvious key zone that we can locate is right around here, which gold might come to if it continues with further bearish move. But since gold, as you can see, didn't really make any on this weekly time frame, you can see a proper pullback on gold's bearish run over here. So gold could either be making some pullback and then continue to go down, or gold could also be continue to go down even now, seeing how much of a bearish momentum that gold has over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, you can see some of these more key zones and more key levels that you drew on the perspective of this daily time frame. And also you can see while moving in this bearish engulfing move, gold is also moving in respect to this newly forming downtrend line right around here. Now gold has this recent resistance key level which is right around here. We drew this on the basis of its previous retest points right around here. As you can see, all these major retest points on this key level, and also we have this recent support level which gold might head to on this daily time frame point of view. But on a weekly time frame point of view, this is the key zone that we are looking at. Now if we go to this 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same trend lines and the same key zones and key levels that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame over here. Now my anticipation for the upcoming week on gold is that if gold on the upcoming week continues with further bearish move, like makes a breakout of this previous low with further bearish move, then it might come all the way to retest this key level right around here. As you can see, it has multiple retest points over here. It reacted as a support key level for multiple times over here. So gold, if continues with further bearish move over here by breaking below this low, might come down to retest this key level over here. And if gold continues with further bearish move by breaking and closing below this key level, then it might come down all the way to retest this key zone, which it talked about in the weekly time frame as well, right around here. So on this weekly time frame point of view, that's the key zone that we are looking at for gold to come down to if it continues with further bearish move, even breaking below this key level over here. However, instead of gold coming down with further bearish move, if gold does go for some pullback, then this is the key level that we're expecting gold to make some pullback over here. As you can see, it has multiple retest points on this daily time frame as well, which you saw right around here. So gold, if does go for some pullback instead of continuing with further bearish move, then it might come up to retest this key level as part of its pullback right around here, and that would also be another retest on this downtrend line as well. So in respect to this key level and also this downtrend line, gold might make some pullback over here and continue to face price ejection and continue to go down. So you can look for trades on the retest on this key level or this downtrend line over here. But if gold does make a breakout of this key level even, then this is the key zone that we're gonna look for trades, short trades in respect to this downtrend line over here. But however, gold, if it is to respect this downtrend line, gold, if it is to continue with this bearish engulfing move to come all the way down to retest this key zone, gold needs to respect at least this key zone as its resistance zone, since it has been retested for multiple times by major retest points. So gold needs to at least respect this key zone as its resistance zone if gold is to continue with further bearish move over here all the way to retest this key zone. So you can either look for trades on short side when gold makes a retest on this downtrend line over here or all the way over here, or you can also look for trades to play it safe when gold is about to make a breakout of this previous low. You can go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes time frame like that and look for certain structure to be formed something like this after gold makes a break and close below this previous low, and then you can look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bearish move in hopes of gold coming all the way down to retest this key zone over here. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can just click and see where all these key zones and all these trend lines and stuffs are.